Papa bear, Mama bear, and baby bear.
I can see myself like...
How? No choice what? Okay. Welcome to Solaria Nishitetsu at a hotel in Myeongdong in Seoul. So upon coming in, on your left is already this toilet that is like separated from like the bathroom, so which is very good cause like you know when they're gonna shower, then if somebody want to poo, then it's not so, you know. The favorite thing about this toilet is that it has a bidet, and then if I'm not wrong, right, it's warm. Oh! You sit down then it's like bebacha with warm. And also there's like a little sink here. You can wash. And then yeah, you can also, you know, like wash your pigu and wash your yeah, you know. Yes, this is a separate toilet on its own. This is the washroom. For this room, right, this shower area, there's a separate shower head as well as the rain shower on top. And there's also a bathtub. So they have basic amenities like a dental kit, cotton set, and also like a shower cap. And there's also comb. Oh wow! So there's two sinks here, which is good lah. You know, you don't have to wait for one. You know, you can just brush your teeth together. They also provide like the face and the hand soap and towels at the bottom. There's hair dryer here and a little bin there. Actually from the door there, right, it's one tiny walkway to the room. So when you walk here, this is actually where the cupboards are located at. You can hang your clothes here, and there's also bedroom slippers here. This is a triple room, right, so there's 3 pairs. Okay, and then there's another cupboard for you to hang your clothes as well, and then there's a safe here. Oh, what's this? Ew! These are robes, I guess. So cute. There's a door, right, separating the bathroom and this thing. Welcome! This is our little cozy living room area. So there's like 2 mini couches here. Yeah, so this is mini couch 1 and that's mini couch 2. So, but take a look here. Just beside the door, the mini bar area. So they gave us complimentary bottle. Oh my god! Guys, this is drip coffee eh. Okay, I don't drink coffee lah, but for coffee lovers out there. And then they have a kettle here by Philips. And then there's 3 mugs and 3 cups. See? Ta-da! And this is a little fridge. Little empty fridge. Alright, come on. Yeah, so this area, the living room area, right, there's like a little TV here. So it's a bit messy cause we just, you know, checked in and then we haven't unloaded the stuff yet. 1, 2, 3. So this is Papa bear, Mama bear, and baby bear. And then just right in front is a mirror. So you can do your makeup here.
I can see myself like...
How? No choice what? Okay. Their service is like, I tell you, is the best. I'm not trying to, you know, oversell. But the previous time we came here, we already felt that the room was okay and the service was also very good. Cause we went to this small room the previous time me and my mom came here, right? So there was actually a little nail that it cut me lah. So after that, I called them and then like feedback. And then they upgraded me to a bigger room. Okay, but this time round, unfortunately, they were supposed to give us a complimentary upgrade, but it's fully booked. So They wanted two, but they really cannot. Because it's my birthday, right? They give us some bubble powder. I think it's like a bath bomb, so you can use it in a little bathtub. We also have like complimentary like loungy coupons, so you can go there and have some coffee, can go there and have some drinks and cookies. And also because they tell me, Miss, it's your birthday, would you like a bottle of wine? I was like, oh thank you, but I don't drink wine. It's either you take 3 more loungy tickets or the bottle of wine. So we say we're gonna decide later. Yeah, alright, we're gonna keep this short because I'm gonna faster wrap up and go and pack up and go and refresh, and I'm gonna meet my friend later. Yeah, so welcome to this comfy room. This is the standard triple room of Solaria Nishitetsu Hotel in Myeongdong. Okay, oh yeah, sorry, one thing before I say sayonara, they have this like 3 chairs here. It's very cute. I feel like they're gonna compensate for like the lost space. Layout is not like open, that kind. There's a lot of like, yeah, but it's a very comfy stay, and I'm gonna... So anyway, let's keep this short. I'm very tired already because we took a midnight flight. We're just gonna end here, and thanks for watching the room tour. Alright, stay tuned to the rest of my other videos. Sayonara! Bye bye!